Namaste everybody. One of the beautiful relationships in this world is the relationship between the parent and the child. Evergreen, everlasting, loving relationship. The deepen and the meaningful this relationship becomes, more fulfilling our life gets. My dear parents, I am conducting a workshop on one of these Saturdays for children of 7 to 10 standard. And we call it as Hruday Sparsh, touching the heart. This is one workshop I am recently doing and I have found a lot of success. A lot of people have given an overwhelming feedback about it, that this 1 hour well spent has made their relationship with their child more meaningful, more loving. I would love to invite you to come and enjoy this workshop with your child. This workshop is conducted for both parents and the child together. I would like to end my invite by saying, it is said that when the child is very young, he is like that cute puppy who is all the time loving and crawling and hugging, licking, all the time around you. You can't separate yourself with that little child when he is less than 10 years old. But the same child, when he or she grows up to become into his teens, he becomes from puppy to a cat. And the cat is a pet which will never come to you. You need to go to the cat. You need to pamper the cat. You need to drag the cat on your lap. Teenagers need a different style of parenting. And I would like to play a small role in trying to bridge this gap and make this relationship a more meaningful one. So please do come and attend the 1 hour session of Hruday Sparsh. Thank you.